Hola, where's your hair tie?
Looks like a mad scientist who wandered into the wrong villain convention.
Why are you leaning like that?
Lose the cam. Even dogs have their awkward photo moments.
What?
When we said leg day, this is not what we meant, bro.
She's so vicious.
Admit it, there's always a savage friend in every friend group.
Can't stand you.
What are you looking for, doggo? His logic is sometimes a mystery. You can see happiness is running towards you.
You didn't try it, Diesel. Oh. Oh my god.
I bet the tide's not ready for this level of fetch greatness. They say think outside the box, but this box is cozy. This husky isn't clumsy, he's just creatively affectionate. Sorry not sorry.
Olha a situação da criança.
When you can't find your shovel, so you improvise. Garden level, maxed out. It's me on the lookout for snacks, or drama. The blanket's been working hard. Time for a little sunshine therapy. The pillow is like, I signed up for comfort, not this. This must be a professional photo shoot in the dog world. Future dentist's dream. A puppy with a perfect smile like this.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
This dog's got bigger cleaning ambitions than half the human population. My dog after his very first civilized lesson, like... Looking this cute must be exhausting. Certified sleepy icon vibes. Golden's got the munchies, but the corn is stuffed with fluff. Oopsie. Pre-weekend nap mode activated. Wake her up on Friday.